Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome, as we present this award, to a band who recently celebrated their 10th anniversary. Since their inception in the Haitian music industry, or the HMI, they have become the epitome of compa music. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Class, K-L-A-S-S. To receive the award, all the members of Class, please show up. Showing up matters, and you have been showing up for 10 years. Congratulations. Let's hear it for them, ladies and gentlemen. The rest of the bands, we invite you to come up. All members of the band, please come up. Maestro Richie. Keep it going, ladies and gentlemen. Comme nous toujours dit, c'est pas les mourir pour nous reconnaître, and nous bailler love last where. Let's stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Campé, levez campé, and nous honorer yo. Pour 10 ans, yo changé compa. Let's give them a big round of applause. Make them feel special tonight. As they are going to make you feel special, they're going to perform for you tonight.
No one knew about this special award that we had for Class. I was speaking to Hervé very frequently in Bajam Dilsa. We're here because of love. Yes? We serve because of love. Nous allons jazz, les balap jouer, nous entendons parce que nous love jazz là. Moun yo mérite love étant yo gen souffle la vie. And tonight, I recognize you. I recognize you, Richie. You are a legend. Hervé, chapeau bas. People, mbage mo pou no people, but you're the bomb. You are the bomb. Let us give them a round of applause. Let me read. The Haitian American Nurses Association. We acknowledge that music is therapy. When you lose, you turn on music. And music is therapy. We, HANA Inc., present the Decade of Musical Excellence Award to Class, K-L-A-S-S, for enriching the hearts and lives of the global community through the art of music on this day, November 4th, 2022. Maestro?
Merci un peu, merci people. I want to thank the association for this beautiful award. But, gon phrase m'ta tout le monde répéter là. Aimons-nous vivants. Répétez ça moi s'il vous plaît. Aimons-nous vivants. Aimons-nous vivants. Merci un peu.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, give them a big round of applause as they're getting ready to take the stage to perform for you tonight.